Well, guys, I've been out here trying to work on this thing and I am getting pretty damn mad. I'll show you why. This is why. This flywheel, the bolt holes are smaller than the flywheel I took off. I got my calipers out and measured, and it looks like it's the right distance from the top of the hole to the edge of the flywheel. These are a lot taller. I think they're made for a much smaller flywheel, so every other one's going to be won't fit. So that's probably the reason they only had 3 in here to start with. Even though this torque converter's got places for 6, you ain't gonna be able to get but 3 to connect. So here's my problem, and I don't even know why I guess they might have drilled these holes for balance, because it won't fit in that hole either. So anyway, I'll put this thing up here. I may have to put a light on it. I'll get where I can see. It is very damn difficult one-handed. But it just won't damn start. If y'all can see, it just locks a little bit. I think if that hole was as big as those other ones on that other flywheel, it would fall right on in there. So I don't want to drill these holes out because I'm afraid it's going to mess my balance up if I do. I damn sure don't want to pull this transmission again. This is a made in America aftermarket flywheel, and if I have to change this thing out again, I'm gonna go with a standard damn flywheel, because I ain't had nothing but daggum trouble. You can see, if I push it all the way in, it will almost, well, the damn bolt just ain't gonna line up. And so I've been out here fooling with this thing and fooling with it. And that's why I'm pissed. It's just got to the point where you can't buy any damn aftermarket shit that works right. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna keep fooling with it and hopefully figure out some damn solution. I may end up having to drill these holes out a little bigger, and I don't want to. But I don't want to have to take this damn thing back off either. So stay tuned for more. I'll give you an update sometime. Yep, had to charge my battery up. It was dead. And I'm getting ready to, I guess, drill this Flexplate hole out. And what I was going to do, if I can find it again, there it is. I'll use my little angle drill and a step bit. Look into that. And we'll get under there and try to drill that hole out and see if we can get that damn bolt to fit. Alright, so here's that hole right there. It's got to be drilled out. And the other one is right here, which I can't access with this oil filter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill that hole out, then I'm going to have to rotate this engine around and drill this one out, then rotate it around and drill the other one out. I did get this hole drilled out 1 notch on that step bit. I was able to get the bolt lined up, and when I did, I was able to get the bolt lined up into this hole. So I'm hoping that I can turn this thing over and the other bolt hole will line up and I won't have to drill all 3 of these damn holes out. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to get this thing to turn, and I gotta have both hands. I need a pull handle. Oh, that son of a bitch is sharp. Just cut my damn thumb right there on that tooth. Damn it. Got some pressure. Okay. Here's the 3rd hole. What we're gonna do is try to get this damn bolt started right here. Hopefully it'll go. I don't know. Ooh, I'd like to hit me in the head. It looks like it wants to start in crooked. And it wants to start in crooked. I believe it's working. I believe it's going. I believe I've got it. Yep. She's bolted. Now I wonder how off balance that batch is going to be. She is bolted. So, we good to go then. I gotta mount the starter. I gotta put the drive shaft back on. And I redo some things on top of the engine I took off. And she'll be ready to try to crank. Alright guys, I got this starter back installed, and I was talking to my wife's cousin who's a pretty damn good mechanic, and he was telling me that as long as you had a 1/8 of an inch difference between the shaft and the flywheel, which this rod is 1/8 of an inch, it should be good. Plenty of room, but I'm still seeing this flywheel is not, it needs to be towards the, in other words, when that wheel comes out and connects to this flywheel, it's not going to go all the way to the end. So, but anyway, somebody's coming up, and I think I've got everything else hooked up. I got the exhaust hooked back up, the drive shaft, I hope straight. Alright guys, I think I got everything hooked back up. I hooked the linkage back up. Of course the hardest thing was that dadgum distributor cap. I crawled up in here and bent over. It's about getting too damn old to bend over like that. But anyway, after a week of waiting and working, I guess it comes down to this. The moment of damn truth. Of course, this really ain't gonna be that much of a test. It does sound good right now, though. I'm sure hoping it fixes it. think I've got the timing about where it needs to be. I do still hear a little tick though. I don't know if it's coming from there or if it's coming from the rocker panel. The motor runs good, sounds good. Tomorrow I'm gonna try to change this damn thing out, the booster. That's gonna be a job. I'll try to get some video of it. Until then, thanks for watching.